Hey, this is Rick Mouery with Mouery's Flooring, and today we're on site for a carpet job that we just have installed. And it's a product from Stanton called Jazzy Dune. We actually keep this carpet in stock. It's an amazing carpet. I wish I could get across on a video how it felt, because how it feels is actually a selling point of this carpet. It has all the bells and whistles on it, but this is one of the few carpets that there's just nothing else out there that feels like this. So Stanton's, when people come in the store, we talk about Stanton as far as a manufacturer. We always talk about them as kind of like a high-end boutique type manufacturer. They just make nice products. So this is a nylon carpet, and nylon is just it is the most durable fiber at least a synthetic fiber that you can purchase. Carpet comes 13.2, so we can hit some rooms, 13.2 wide, we can hit some rooms without a seam in some cases. And because it is so soft, it's a nylon, so you get the durability. Because it is so soft, we recommend using a vacuum with really soft bristles on the beater bar. So just as far as keeping it clean, long term. But again, the selling point of this carpet is just the way it feels. You just have to come in the showroom and feel samples of this. And it does have the premium backing. It has the soft back. It gives it like a 10-year buckle warranty. And when we're installing it, it keeps from scuffing up baseboards and paint, on walls, that kind of thing. A normal back carpet is just this, tougher, scratchy type back. There's nothing wrong with it once it's installed. The soft back is just, a premium backing that helps on the install side and does give you some extra warranties. We installed this carpet over our premium pad. This is the best pad that we keep in stock, the best pad on the market. It's Care Stand pad. It's called Care Step Perfection. It's 9 pounds. It's a frothed, blown-in memory foam. It will last the life of a house or the life of a carpet. And this combination of this soft carpet and this soft pad is the best combination you can get right now, as far as just feeling like you're walking on a cloud in this house. So this is one color we keep in stock. The color's Dune. The style's Jazzy. There's I think 11 other colors. And I'm just saying this to show you kind of our buying power. We buy this one carpet in bulk. If you buy the other colors that we have in the store, the price just shoots way up. But this is an extremely good value for a nylon carpet that feels this well. So we have it in stock. We do free estimates. We have the best installers around, and you can come by, check it out, and feel it here at Mouery's Flooring.